Ask AI, should I use microservices? It will give you a beautiful answer. Scalability, independent deployment, flexibility, resilience. It sounds correct. But here the real question. Correct for whom? Because architecture without context is just theory. AI works on patterns. So when you ask for architecture advice, it gives you industry patterns, microservices, event-driven, CQRS, Kubernetes, etc. None of these things are wrong. But patterns are solutions to specific problems. And if you don't have that problem, you just copying the template. When you move from monolithic to microservices, you introduce network latency, distributed failure, eventual consistency, version coordination, partial outage. Now debugging changes completely. In monolithic, a stack trace is enough. But in microservice, you need correlation IDs, distributed tracing, structured login, mature monitoring discipline. Architecture multiplies operational complexity. AI does not understand that multiplication. Imagine you have 3 engineers. One product, low traffic, weekly deployment, no mature monitoring. AI suggests microservice. Now you need service discovery, distributed tracing, structured login, load balancing, version coordination. Complexity increases overnight. Architecture is modern, but the team is overwhelmed. That's called context mismatch. Now imagine you have 40 engineers. Independent teams, high traffic, frequent deployment, mature observability. Now microservice makes sense because the problem exists. Same pattern, different context, different answer. AI does not know which world you are in. Engineering is trade-off. Consistency versus availability. Speed versus reliability. Simplicity versus scalability. AI can list the trade-offs, but it cannot feel the cost of being wrong. If production fails at 2 a.m., AI is not on call, you are. That changes decision. The real skill is not knowing the modern architecture. It's knowing what problem we are actually solving and are we mature enough to operate the system safely. Architecture without operational readiness is technical debt. AI gives technically correct answers, but technically correct answers are not same as contextually correct. In production, contextually wrong answers are expensive. Use AI to expand options and filter those options through reality. Team size, operational maturity, business constraints, risk tolerance. Because architecture is not about what's expressive, it's about what survives. Context changes everything.